Okay, so I wanted to real quickly show you guys what happens when you rasterize text. I have pre-typed my guacamole and finally correctly spelled it. Uh, it seems very wrong to have it in purple, so I'm just going to have to switch the color real quickly. Slight refresher there. Let's go something greenish at least. No, it's got to be a yellower green than that. Yes, there we go. It's not perfectly guacamole, but it's a lot better than the purple, so. All right. Move it up so it's legible. So here's the deal. This is a text box. I can do all the text things with it. I can change the text. I get my text tool and I center, and I can change this to the word cheese. Okay. I also can access my character palette over here or under window. Okay. And I can manipulate my characters in all the ways we've talked about. I can bold, unbold. I can do all those things that you need to do when you shift it on the character palette. Spacing between lines, between letters, all of those nifty, subtle little tools. Because it's a text box, okay? But there are things I can't do because some of the effects that you might want to add require it to be rasterized. When you rasterize something, Photoshop is going to take a picture of it and then let you play with that picture of the letters. They become not text and letters, but a graphic. And then you cannot edit anymore. So I wanted to show you that. Layer, rasterize, type. Now, this I can't notice. I don't get the chance to select that anymore. I cannot respell something. I can't edit it. I can't select it to use my character palette. That part of its life is over, okay? I can still stretch it, can still manipulate it that way, and I can add some filters and things like that, which I'll be going over later today.